Alright guys, so now I have some spinach boiling right here. I have some hot pepper on this side, and also I have some fresh tomatoes. This is one fresh tomatoes, and also the spinach I use about 1 pack of fresh spinach, okay. And then I also have one medium onion, red onion on the other side. It's all cooked, you know. So this Abunabuno soup is going to be very simple, yeah, and very easy for every woman's kitchen, okay guys. So as you can see, it's looking very nice. It's almost cooked. So with this, the trick, I am going to use the same water to make the soup, okay. So that is all the trick. But I'm going to show you what kind of meat I am going to use for my soup, okay guys. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so my ingredients for the soup, what kind of meat that I have, I am using some, as you can see, I have some smoked turkey. I have, this is Ghana fresh Superku. This is the salted fish that they usually use to prepare ampesi, or you know, make contemporary stew. This is similar to Kobe, okay, but this is a little different from Kobe. And also I have some mackerel. This is a mackerel I bought it like fresh, and then I bake it or smoke it myself. So I have this, and also I have my snails, okay. And also guys, I am going to add my mushrooms, okay. I have some mushrooms right here. I am going to add it, guys. Remember, this soup is very simple. I'm making it very simple, okay. Very simple. Abunabuno, authentic Ghana Abunabuno. And also I'm going to add my smoked catfish. That is Ghana Adwene. Yeah, Ghana Adwene smoked catfish. This is the catfish, okay. This is the tail. So it's gonna go in the soup as well. I'm gonna remove all the bones, and then it will go in the soup. Okay, this is authentic Ghana, simple and easy. Yeah, so that is it, guys. So my seasoning, I am going to use a very simple and easy seasoning. So I have garlic powder. So I'm using about a half teaspoon of garlic powder. Remember, with me, I don't cook with Maggi these days, okay. And also I'm using Miss Dash, guys. Miss Dash is a very healthy and nice seasoning for you as well, okay guys. And also remember, if you use the right ingredients for your soup, you don't need Maggi to make it taste good, okay guys. Yeah, so that's me. And also I have Oregano or Oregano or Oregano, whatever you guys call it. I have that one too. So I'm going to use about another half teaspoon each. Okay. I'm going to add that to my soup. And of course I have my blended onion, and about a half teaspoon of tomato paste. And also I have a little bit of fresh ginger in there. Yeah, that one is going to be my seasoning for this Abunabuno soup. Alright guys, so let me rinse this, and then yeah, so guys, we are gonna if okay, this is a Abunabuno soup. OBAAPA kitchen soup, Papa B. Yes, it's been a while guys today, and then may enjoy. And also guys, remember the Kobe, the salted fish, it has salt in it. Of course, it already have salt in it, so be careful. So let's say you want to make a brew, you don't have the Kobe, you can use Kobe as well, okay. And I'm gonna add about a half teaspoon of salt too. Just, you know, be careful with your salt. And now I'm just gonna cover it and let it simmer for about 20 minutes, okay. And then I'll show you what to do next. Hey, Abunabuno soup be ede. Now say OBAAPA, yebi ma wukuno, yebi ma oyere, yebi ma odog, Eva. Alright guys, okay, alright guys, so now as you can see, I have my spinach, I have some boiled onion, tomatoes, and some hot pepper, Hebanaro. Yeah, so I have it, and I'm using the same water, guys. The water that I used to boil the spinach, the same thing that I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna blend everything. I'm gonna put it in the soup. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add my soup. If you fee authentic Abunabuno papa B or bar package in Abunabuno, guys. You know what I'm missing? I am missing prekese. In Ghana we call it prekese. I don't know if you know English name for prekese. Let me know, guys. So this is what I am missing, okay? But hey, don't worry guys, because the soup is gonna taste good. So at this point it's good. I am going to cover it and let it steam or let it cook for about 45 minutes. Yeah. And quite the any fufu ebekotu. Plantain fresh fufu. So bapa the enemy kitchen two and one into your mouth, one you sham two. It's smelling very nice. And guys, stay tuned out to me back. Alright guys, so right now my soup is smelling so good. It's smelling very nice. This is Ghana local Abunabuno. And wow, my junu, everything is just swimming in this soup. In the lower heat, my name and one and come up. Soon it's gonna be done. Because I've been crazy, near. I have fed Abunabuno light Abunabuno soup, papa become a pa. And ready to do fufu, ben good or cry, it's gonna taste good. So I'm just gonna let it cook, and I will let you guys know when it's done, okay? Thank you so much for your patience, guys. Hi guys, welcome back. So finally, soup is done. Authentic Ghana Abunabuno is ready. As you can see, guys, you see that little oil on top. It tells it all that this soup is finally done. Abunabuno they are corner, guys. Alright, so as usual guys, I have my fresh plantain cassava fufu, and this is fresh cassava fufu that I'm gonna enjoy. For those who say that, oh, Obaapa's, we don't really like the texture or how it tastes, guys, to me I like it, you know, because it's healthier than the powder. If you are so used to the powder and you cannot get over it, just go ahead, you know what, and eat it. If that's what you want, guys, feel free and eat it. But as for me, there are no say this is from my kitchen, okay? So this is what I am going to enjoy. And as you can see, I have my fish right here, the mackerel, the smoked mackerel, and also I have my turkey. This is the catfish adjune on this side as well. Yeah, and also I have my, where is my snails in the middle, guys. And queen dear Abunabuno papa, guys. Look at this soup, authentic Ghana Abunabuno. Where a fear special, guys. You be the one nipa and sachet. So as you can see, I have all my mushroom on this side as well. This soup is looking serious. I know Papa it's not cinema buy. Guys, but not cinema buy. This is how I make my authentic Abunabuno soup. This is local soup. This is easy, affordable for your kitchen. Make it for your family, and I know they're going to enjoy it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna come live. I'm gonna do live video. So yeah, I will see you all, and don't forget to subscribe. And for those who are new, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Without your love, Obaapa's will not exist. Okay, thank you so much, and make this soup. Let me know what you guys think, okay? I love you all. I will see you all in my next video. For those who are watching and haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, okay guys? I miss you. Enjoy authentic Abunabuno soup, Papa B. This is affordable for your kitchen, easy to make, and very healthy for you, okay? Alright guys, love you all. Bye.